So I've come here today. I'm gonna clean all these excess bees that's been laid on the top here. I'm gonna clean them all off. I just have a quick inspection of the hive as well, see how they're doing. Obviously it's quite a lot of number of them, so I want to make sure that they're not going to be swarming on me in anytime soon. Yeah, just doing that bit of clean up, make sure that they're all tidy inside, and then go from there. Lots of drone brood, you can see there on this frame. Again, quite a lot of drone brood on this side as well. Looking down there as well, quite a lot of drone brood. Right, so I couldn't find the queen. There was a lot of drone brood in there. I also saw a lot of hatched drones as well. I mean, I'm not sure whether that's a good sign or a bad sign, but there's plenty of bees, plenty of nurse bees, and also for the first time I'm trying this new net thing out, whereby it doesn't offer me that much protection, just the hat alone, that's all it is. And the bee's already got in somewhere, and I've been stung on my neck basically. It's the first of the year, and I'm sure many more to come. I may not use this ever again, or I could use it when I just come here just to have a quick look at the bees, see how things are going. But yes, not good at the moment. I've been stung. Yeah, it is what it is. Maybe I'll wear the proper gear next time, huh? There's the bees. You see them there. This is all the excess bits I cleaned off. It's quite a lot of it. Lots of it. So you see all of those as well. The bees will savage what they can, as they're doing there. They'll savage what they can, and the rest will just go to waste. But yeah, obviously, like I said, I couldn't see the queen inside, but no doubt she's in there because I saw some fresh eggs. Well, I can't say I saw some fresh eggs, but I did see some larvae, which means she was there a day or two, or 2-3 days ago, essentially. Judging by the amount of bees that's in the hive, they haven't just left either. Right, I'm gonna get myself inside because I'm starting to get a lot itchy now from this sting I just had, and I think I've squashed the bee in there, so the bee might still be there itself as well. So yeah, I'll go sort myself out. That's a juice from that they just sucked out. Yeah, right, I'll leave them to it. I'll go get myself sorted. Thanks for watching. This is the bee that stung me. I just literally took it out of my neck. Obviously the guts is just come out right there. She's still alive a little bit, kicking. But yeah, she stung me. Thanks a bunch. Should have fed it to the chickens really.